ready to turn your hosting or website builder site into a cash-generating machine. Let's ditch the frustration and get you accepting payments in minutes. First, log into your Hostinger account and access the website builder. Click Edit Website to get started. Now, navigate to the eCommerce section of your website builder. This is usually called Store or eCommerce. Click on it. Look for Payment Methods and click on that to open your payment settings. Here you'll see a list of available payment gateways. Hostinger supports popular options like Stripe, PayPal, and others depending on your region. Select your preferred gateway. Follow the instructions to connect your chosen gateway. You'll typically need to enter API keys or other credentials from your payment gateway account. These can be found on the payment gateway's dashboard. Once you've entered your credentials, click Connect or Save. You should see a success message confirming the connection. Configure your payment settings, such as currency, payment confirmation messages, and any other specific options offered by the gateway. Finally, double-check that all the information is correct and that you have secure transaction badges visible on your checkout page. This will build trust with your customers.